Next topic, PLC. That means programmable logic controllers. Okay, so these programmable logic controllers we have to needed of hardware panels where vary the time consuming to wire, debug and change. Okay, debugging and change. So these programming controllers we have to using some way hardware parts. To GM is identify the following of the requirements for the computers and control to replace on the hardware panels. Okay, controller should replace on the hardware panels. So that is solid state is not a mechanical. Okay, easy to modify input and output device and easily programming and maintained by the plant electronics be able to the function in the industrial environments. Okay, so these are the main important of the PLC. So the first programmable logic controllers that has introduced in 1960s. That means total depending upon transistors or logic gates. Okay, it can be developed for the same functionally is the existing relay and logic systems. That means programmable, reusable and reliable. Programmable, reusable and programmable could be withstand a harsh industrial environment. They had no hard drive, no no hard drive. They had battery backup, could be start in seconds, used to laser logic of controlling or programming. Okay, logic programming, that means PLC, programmable logic controllers. So these programmable logic control is specified a computer used to control machines and process, control machines and process. So it is a use of the programmable memory to store the instructions and specific functions that include on and off, on and off conditions or controllers. Okay, so on and off conditions in controlling. So time, within timing and counting, squaring on arithmetic and data handling. Okay, arithmetic and data handling. So these PLC controllers you have to mainly purpose mainly two reasons. One is the on condition and off condition. These on and off conditions we are using some within timings or counting, timing and counting. For example, if you want to some switch is on and off conditions, then what time we can on and off. So this switch, uh, when we have to want to some devices, that is the on conditions. Okay, which time, how much time we want to some device in the on condition, after that we can automatically off conditions or manual conditions. Okay, that is the off conditions. So that is the main thing in specify the computers used to control machines and process. So these the process of on and off conditions, the controlling, timing and counting and squaring and arithmetic logic device. Okay. Next, these advantage, main advantage of the PLC control system. First one is a flexible. Okay, PLC is a flexible and faster response time and less than similar wiring. Okay, solid state and no moving parts, solid state and no moving parts, modular design to easy repair and expand, repair and expand, handles much more complicated systems, much more complicated systems. These sophisticated instruction set in available to allow the diagnose, diagnose, easy to troubleshoot and less expensive, troubleshoot and less expensive. So that is the main thing advantage of the PLC controller. So see that these PLC controllers eliminates much of the hardwiring that was associated with conventional relay control circuits. So this is the main thing This PLC circuit we have to using some relays. Relays means we can to already we have to discuss some relay concept. So that is the motor controlling either switch on and off conditions. So we have to interact in between number of relays, but we can to control some PLC. PLC means programming logic controls. When we have number of relays we have to controlling or number of relays we have to interact in, but switching timing and counters is on condition or off condition. Okay, these programs take the place to much of external wiring and would be required to the control and process. Okay, so these first is eliminates much more the hard wiring that was associated with conventional relay control circuits. Next, increased reliability. Increased reliability. Once a program has been written and tested, it can be downloaded to other PLC. Downloaded to other PLC. See that the leader of the logic programs. So these logic programs M1, M2, and G and R is motors. Okay, so this is the first one. Timer of delay. Okay, timer of delay, that is the TOF, timer of delay. Timer, timer base, preset, accumulated. Okay, so this is a totally switch conditions. Totally switch conditions. These switches means on and off condition. That means T 4.1, 4 is to 1, 4 is to 1, 4 is to 1. That is a more totally switch conditions. That is the open circuit and closed circuit. Okay. So at the same time, output devices. Motor 1, motor 2. That means motors M1, M2, G and resistor. That means uh, output devices. Okay. This is the downloaded of the next advantage, more flexibility. Okay, more flexibility. Okay, flexibility first one. So this flexibility means this is the totally original equipment of the manufacturers. OEM can provide the systems updates for the process by the similarly sending out a new program out a new program. It is easier to create and change the program in PLC than a wire and rewire a circuit. End users can be modified, the program it can be fielded. That means rotary encoder, pulses, programmable controller, and wood. Next, see the block diagram. Wood and cutter controller. Okay, these cutter controllers totally depending upon programmable controller. These programmable controllers we have to using a rotary encoder device, that means rotation purpose. Okay, these rotation you have to using some PLC programming. Next, lower castes. Lower caste means originally PLC were the design to replace relay control logic. The cost saving using PLC have been so significant that the relay control is becoming to absolute except for the power applications. Okay, that means fixed constant values, movable content, armature, spring, coil. Okay, so generally, if an application require more than about the six control relays, it will be usually be less expensive to the install a PLC. Okay, next go for communication capabilities. So these communication capabilities means a PLC communicate with the other controllers or computer equipments. They can be networked to the programs to perform such as the functions as supervi- supervisory the control data gathering to monitoring a device and process the parameters and the downloading and uploading or program purpose. Okay, so that is the totally controlling purpose of the laptops or PC. Okay, these are PLC circuits. Next advantage, faster response and timing. So PLC operate is can it an real time, which means that is events taking a place in the field will be result in an operations or output taking place. These machines that will process those stands of items per the second and object that spend only a fraction of seconds in the front of the same sensors require the PLC quick the response capabilities. Okay, that is the counting the number of TA bags. Okay, this is a totally PLC controlling systems.